settle in whānau, and we'll start off with the haka.
Did you see if we got that? Kia ora.
Yep, here we are, whānau. Haka's about to get underway. Oh, both kicking off at the same time. Here we go, whānau. Kia ora, e te iwi. Here we go. Game on for our first wahine game today between our host Ngaa Rauru, who laid down the wero against their whānau from the north, Te Atiawa. Tēnā koe, I've got my whanaunga here, Mr. Shane Preston. Tēnā koe, my bro.
Tēnā koe te whanaunga. He rau e te kaupapa nei, with the pōro riki Māori, Taranaki Whanui. Really looking forward to this matchup today. Wainganui Ngaa Rauru, me te Atiawa. Me te mōhio anō he whanaunga ki te whanaunga tērā, I roto I te whakao wai whakapapa, ko ronga ue ro tērā, e ho nono ai a rāua, o tira nā tima nā kapai e rua no reira. Let's go.
Let's go. Right, whānau, here we are. We have the teams for Te Atiawa from number 1 through to 24. We have Freedom Edmonds, Rocky Robinson, and number 2, number 3, Alicia Williams, number 4, Nina Tangira, number 5, China Rei Tamati, number 6, Tiana Kauika, number 7, Alia Kererako, number 8, Natalie Haupapa, number 9, Season Blackburn Kingi, number 10, Lana Kingi, number 11, Robin Dolly Niate, number 12, Logan Birch, number 13, Terena Litchwak, number 14, Te Atahuia Barbara Rich Love, number 15, Ellie Johns, number 16, Denham Kartinen, number 17, Ngāpera Hei Hei, number 18, Miriana Anderson, number 19, Stephanie Hortene, number 20, Moana Scott, number 21, Charlene Cassidy, number 22, Hinemaya Uruamo Taiyaki, number 23, Bonnie Maxwell, and number 24, Azariah Jade Taiawa. Kia ora, Ngaa Rauru.
Ka rau e whanaunga, Ngaa Rauru have the ball at the moment at the halfway line. Moving the ball really well out there this morning, but also some really good defence out there from Te Atiawa. Just going through our team list for Ngaa Rauru, we have Anahira Hamahuna, Catherine Kulmister, number 2, Lise Napier, number 3, Nina Davis Nanai, Tuawha, Alice Arrington, number 5, winger,
Koriniki,
window, out there in the halves. Hana Ngarongo Wai, no, aroha mai te anau, second half, and Tangina Latu, ki mai Penetito, Trehi Tapakarana, number 10 out there, Elise New, number 11, Hayley Gabriel, number 12, and then our number 13 today is Tash Kingi. On the bench, we have Tatawhai Davis, number 14, Baba Taurua, number 15, Tamorangi Kraitiana, number 16, Waimari Rauhina, number 17, number 18 is Harmony Kim. We have Season Beamsley Wiari in number 19, Irihia Kitarangi, Ruatakau, Jan Tyrell, Ruatakau Matahi, Mere Kātini, Ruataka Marua, Shaden Tipu, 23, Hayley Ray Mete Renata, 24, and Carlisa Murphy Lahina in number 25 today, whara.
Kia ora te iwi, that's our 2 teams for today. Very exciting. I heard a name there that you said. My mate Elise, playing for Ngā Rauru. Elise New used to be in the rugby course with her back in the days. It's good to see her out there. She's a bit of a gun touch player, so we'll see how she goes on the league field. I'm sure she'll carve up. So awesome to see you out there, Elise, and good to see you here back home.
The game at the moment, lots of ball movement happening out there. Ngā Rauru have the ball at the moment and really using the ball this morning. It's really good to see, despite the weather conditions.
Aye, good start to the game. Bit of a close battle here. Some of the kōrero I heard, a lot of our Ngā Rauru waiine, there's been a real resurgence of waiine rugby down in Wanganui. So a few of our whānau that reside down there are playing today for Ngā Rauru. So awesome to see them in the tournament. It's great to see 4 teams this year, the most teams we've ever had in the tournament over the past 8 years. So we're really happy to see our waiine leading the way in that space, bro, and continuing to get involved with the game, given the amount of pathways that there are for waiine, in rugby league these days. So awesome, bro.
Tautoko, and to see that happening at the grassroots level and working through the junior grades to where we are today. It's amazing to see, especially where we were at last year's competition up in Ngāti Mitunga. Beautiful for the game, beautiful opportunity for our waiine in our kōtero.
And it's led by, just so our whānau at home know, we have the way the competition works is whoever's hosting that given year gets to name the pools. And each of our iwi have their own uniqueness around how they name those pools. But for this year, our Ngā Rauru whānau have named the pools after prominent people of Ngā Rauru Wakapapa that have done a lot for the game of Māori Rugby League. So for our wahine pool, the name of the pool is the Gail Broughton pool, and I'm sure we all know Gail Broughton, leading the way for our Taranaki wahine and the NRLW, and obviously an ex Black Fern Sevens player who's been around the traps, and I'm sure plenty of you here locally remember her playing club league and club rugby back in the days when she was a bit younger. So awesome to see our own in those spaces.
And representing the maunga hard. Great mihana ki a Ngā Rauru. Hei whakanui ai anō, tōna uri. So, absolutely tautoko.
Ka pai whānau, here we have Rauru playing the ball off their own red zone. Strong carry here, good tackle by Te Atiawa.
It's great to see how they've grasped the game really, really well and playing just as hard as our tāne out there. And the defence from Te Atiawa really strong out there this morning as well. Mark is working. And Rody really using the ball.
Oh, here we go. Oh, look, good, beautiful ball out wide down the sideline. Good tackle there. Looked like it might have been a bit high. Nina Tangira.
And there you go.
Coming in with the stiff arm. That's one thing I love about our waiine. There's no, they don't hold back when it comes to physical confrontation. They're into it. It's awesome to see.
So Rody have the ball and kick finding touch there this morning. Gave them a few more metres to move up the field, and looks like they're at halfway now where they'll play the ball. And be good to see what they do with this set.
Rody with the tap here. Oh, offload. Offload to number 11.
Wai Mari and Norato managed to get that ball back inside to the centre. One of their players. And good to see the confidence in the wahine.
Yeah,
they're
good
really
hands.
Moving that ball really well out there. Not afraid to shift the ball wide. They move the ball back into the middle of the footy pitch. And moving from...
Nice run here by number 6 there.
Yes.
Good defence from Te Atiawa. We've got a close game on our hands here, whānau. Here we go. Number 10. There's Tapa Gardner with the strong carry there. Good tackle there by Kirirako over the top.
Yes. Tautoko.
She's one of our young Taranaki Wānui kōtiro that's come. Oh, there she goes again with another tackle. She's come right through the grades with our teams
Yes,
up
I've
at the
seen her in the
Nationals.
past. Yes, Papa will be happy there.
Yep.
Brother Hopper. Aye.
Played Aotearoa Māori, junior grades. Here we go, spreading the ball. Rauru's using the ball really well.
Really, really well this morning. It's good to see their confidence and not afraid to move it. And here they are moving the ball back, and they get the kick to the middle of the field under the post.
Good catch there. Good tackle.
Were they tackled in goal?
Nice, tackled in goal. Is that a drop? That's a drop kick. Tackled in goal.
Yep, the ref has called it.
That was a good set by Ngaa Rauru. Completed the set, put the kick in, then get another set now.
Yes, and good strong chase there to trap Atiawa
Oh, no.
goal.
Here we go.
Okay.
What's he called here? Not too sure. Tom has changed his mind, eh? Maybe Atiawa got in his ear.
Koe te atawatanga o te football riki Māori, ne?
Here we go. Freedom Edmonds with, look at that.
Wow,
Footwork
strong.
between them.
The
Here she goes. She's away. Good tackle by Rauru. Good chase there.
Atiawa
What a
have
great
run
run.
that ball out of their own end zone. And at the halfway on their first tackle.
Hitting the left-hand channel here. Looking for the long ball. Oh, good tackle there. Number 5.
Well done.
Oh, taking them out. They really missed an opportunity there. Maybe if they come back up the open side, they might have had a bit more space. Decided to go short side, and then Rauru managed to shut that down, take them over the line.
Good defense there from the Ngaa Rauru winger there, one-on-one, and managed to carry opposition out. And so Ngaa Rauru now have the ball back.
Just so you know, whānau at home, Rauru, this is their first time in the tournament, so absolutely outstanding having them in. And they got some real talent amongst their ranks, so it's awesome to have them in the tournament, especially being on their own whenua here in Ngaa Rauru. Here they go again.
Tautoko, absolutely tautoko. Good to see that representation. Tāne mai wa ina mai. Again, just really confident in moving the ball and strong carries up the field. Atiawa are responding and making those tackles. Some great footy happening out there right now.
This number 6 looks really, really good. Number 6, Windle's her name. She just seems to be getting the troops around the field really nicely.
Wow,
there she goes again. I know, it's number 9. Offload. Good defense, good scramble defense from Te Atiawa.
Good to see the markers working out of their role there.
Nice, good defense. Really nice defense there.
Yes, our first marker from Te Atiawa moving and making the tackle there and coming up with the ball for their team. Be interesting to see the strategies that they're using. Looks like Rauru looking to move the ball quite a bit.
Yeah.
I think position-wise, they've probably had the ball a little bit more than Te Atiawa.
They have.
For the moment.
I like the way that they're using the whole field.
Yes.
They're not only sticking to one channel, they're moving the ball around, which is really good. But to Te Atiawa's credit, their scramble defense has been really, really good. I think they need to make the most of the opportunity with the ball here.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, ball's gone to ground. Managed to pick it back up. I think they're on tackle 3 now. In the middle of the field.
Here we go. Nina Tangira with the kick to the corner. There's a good chase here. There's a good chase. Oh, she's missed the kick. Here we go. There's a run.
Regathered the ball.
That was only the 3rd, so they've still got the ball. They retain the ball here, Te Atiawa. Nina Tangira from dummy half. Looks to give it a go. Good tackle. Good tackle. It's the last
Final
there.
Tackle. Yep, there we go.
Here we are. She puts a little one through. Here we go.
Grab a kick in there.
Oh, they kick it out. It's back to 6. Hitting on the left channel there, Te Atiawa.
Te Atiawa have the ball back in hand and restart to the set there.
Restart to the set.
Just in front of the
taking the line.
They are.
Here we are, short, going short. That's a try. They're in.
Looks like
Te Atiawa, that's Kere Rako. There she goes.
She's been working hard for her team, so well deserved.
Well deserved. She's been really toiling away in the middle there and then around the ruck. Yes. Kere Rako. As we mentioned before, she's came right through the grades
Tautoko.
And it's just great to see our young kōtiro, come through those national tournaments and never forget their roots, where they're from, and come back and play in these type of tournaments.
Absolutely, it's phenomenal. And it looks like she may even be taking the kick for conversion. But absolutely, she's come through the grades and been quite strong throughout.
Yeah.
Making some of those representative teams representing Taranaki. So no reire mihi ana ki aia me tōna whānau, ko tautoko mai te kaupapa. Ka rehe ke me tu atu I te riki nei.
Ka pai. So looking good, whānau. The kick is unsuccessful. So we have a scoreline of 4-0 to Te Atiawa over Ngaa Rauru. Close game. This is a very, very close game.
Close game. Absolutely. Great skill level from both teams, defensively and attack-wise. It's amazing to see.
So we have a few. If you look through our team list here at Te Wanaunga, we've got a few whānau here that have played for the Taranaki Bulls in rugby. Yeah, so we've got a few in here. Freedom Edmonds. Who else we got in here? Natalie Haupapa, I think, has played for the Taranaki Bulls in the past. Ellie Johns, Ngā Pera Hei. So we've got a few of our waini here that have played at a decent level of footy. And I'm pretty sure within our Ngā Rauru ranks here too, we have a few of our Wanganui reps, which is really, really awesome. I think we might even have the open side flanker. I forget her name, but she plays for the Taranaki Bulls. She's an outstanding player. Look at this run. Look at this run down the sideline. Who's this?
Have the ball down the left side of the field.
Beautiful run. It's about a 40-metre run there. Yes, there's a number 7. She plays for the Taranaki Bulls. She's a great player. I got told this morning that she's playing.
Kapai, just want to acknowledge young Bonnie Maxwell, not the Kurukau I know she's had the opportunity to run for Taranaki Bulls as well. Mo te tima Fio Miki.
Fio, yeah. Sorry there, Kazi Awhina. Yeah, got it wrong. I'm thinking of the Bulls because they got their semi-final tonight, so that popped straight into my head. So sorry about that. Whānau, it's just the Taranaki Fio. Get it right, Caps. Come on, jeez.
Kapai, so we have a scrum going down, and Ngā Rauru have the ball on their 40-metre line. And they're going to be feeding the ball in, and let's see what they do with the ball at this stage.
Here we go, hitting the left, opening it up here. I know she takes off, number 7 takes off. Good little run there, good little dart by the half.
Tautoko. So they're moving to the left side of the field. Good strong run there from their centre, number 3.
Good carry.
But again, that Atiawa defence is holding up well. Ooh, potential penalty, and there it is. Just working their player a little bit too much on the ground there, and the ref has called it. And tap restart to Ngā Rauru.
Here we go, number 17. Nice line, there goes that number 6 again, Windle.
Beautiful short offload there.
She's playing very well.
Ran hard onto that ball.
Here we go, number 7 again. Good movement. Here we go, Ngā Rauru hitting that right side. Number 8 with the strong carry. That's Latu. Heading short side again. Number 7 takes off, steps in. Good defense, though. They're up for it.
Really active in the play. Really getting in there to support her team.
Here we go. Through the hands. Here's number 6 again. She takes off, dummies, goes. Oh, good missed tackle there. Still going. She's playing really well.
Amazing. Oh, what's the call there? Head high.
Yeah, here we go. They're going to make the most of this opportunity. Ngā Rauru attacking Te Atiawa's try line.
Literally on their doorstep where they're 10, 12 metres out.
A tap and go. Oh, there's a bit of confusion. Hit the right side. Number 8 again, Latu. Through the middle.
8 carries.
Short side again they go.
5 metres out from the line.
Oh, strong defence. Oh, almost through.
Tackle number 2.
Close to the try line. It's the right side 7 with the short ball. Here we go. Hitting the sideline. Oh, she's in.
She's across the line.
Ngaa
and
Rauru in for
ref
the
checked all the
try.
touches.
Beautiful try there.
Try awarded.
In the
Ka pai
corner.
Ngaa Rauru.
I think that might be Stephanie Hortene, number 19, I think. That may have been. Can't see the jersey numbers here, but I'm pretty sure it might have been number 19. So that brings the score equal at the moment.
It
so
does.
that's 4-4.
4-4.
What a great game.
Good to see them using their forwards close to the line there. E rautaki tērā mai rano, get our big whānau in there to carry the ball at the line, and it's paid off for them.
Awesome work there, Ngaa Rauru, with the kick now. So obviously these two have an important connection, don't they, Te Wanaunga, in terms of their wakapapa, Ngaa Rauru and Te Atiawa.
Ai, tautoko. Ko te kuia tērā, rongo uero tērā. No reira tika. Perhaps that's why it's so strong and so close.
So close. Siblings. Hey, the siblings. Oh, looks like they've got the kick. That's 6-4, Ngaa Rauru. Take the lead.
Ngaa Rauru, 2 points ahead. And that kick was out from wide too, so rawe te whana tērā.
Here we go, half-time, whānau. That's us, half-time, 6-4. Ngaa Rauru over Te Atiawa at half-time. Anybody's game here. What I'm really liking, I'm liking the movement from Ngaa Rauru, from their halves. So really working the edges well. Got everyone running good lines off them. Really impressed with Te Atiawa's defence. They've been scrambled. Defence has been outstanding. They haven't had a lot of the ball.
No, you're right. Position-wise, it's gone Ngaa Rauru's way, which highlights the importance of those 2 points, those conversions.
That's right.
The kicks.
Yeah.
Only need 1 point to make or break a game, and so really close just based on that. 6-4 to Ngaa Rauru at this time. Be interesting to see what the coach's order was at the moment, and and their plan of attack moving forward into the second half.
100%. E te whānau, just so you know, the games down here at Ellison Park at Te Wairoa Iti and Waverley are all on field 1 today. We did have a little bit of an issue with field 2 in terms of player safety. We were a bit concerned about, I think some of the hoiho got into the paddock, and so there was a few divots we tried to fix up with sand, and we just couldn't get it done in time. So we thought, in terms of safety for our players, that we put all our games on field 1, which has meant that we've had to start the games a little bit earlier, and the games will go a bit longer during the day, and the halves are a little bit shorter. So normally we'd be playing 30-minute halves, but instead we're playing 20-minute halves now. Okay. So hence why we're all on field 1, whānau.
And it looks like a beautiful footy pitch out there. Ko te mea nui, ko tā huaratanga o te tangata. Looking after our player well-being and safety out there, and would have been neat to have a couple fields going, but at the same time we have the opportunity to fields literally in front of us, whānau, and some beautiful footy out there today at whānau.
So just, whānau, come down. The weather's, it's cleared up. There's no rain. Don't be scared. Don't be scared, whānau.
No mai haramai, whānau.
No mai haramai. Once a year we get this opportunity to come together, all iwi of Taranaki, to celebrate being Māori, to celebrate being Taranaki, to celebrate all of our iwi, all of our connections, our wakapapa connections. So make sure you come down at te iwi, come down and enjoy the day and the festivities. We have kai stalls down here. We have plenty of aroha, plenty of wakawanaungatanga. So come down and support these local businesses and come and have a kai with your whānau. Come and catch up with your cousins you haven't seen for a while. Just so you know, at te iwi, we do have it is a smoke-free venue. Auahi kore here. No smoking, no vaping, no alcohol at this venue. If you're doing any of those things, feel free to stay at home and watch the live stream. But if you're going to come down, then leave those things at home, please. Whānau.
And tautoko, I just want to do a little bit of a mihi out to te kuru kaupapa o te pihi pinga kākoro mai rangi ātia. Me te whānau ki reira, e wānanga ana i tēnei kaupapa o te aho matua. Ka tika me mihi ki a Paparawiri, rawa ko whāne Renee Wright i tēnei wā, ko rāua tahi, e whakahāri ana i te kaupapa aroa mai whāne mōna, kei ko nei au e mahi ana i ngā mahi, Heoa no he kaupapa Māori tonu I te kaupapa. So just putting a little plug out there for our whānau in the kura.
Awesome whānau. That's primo. That's awesome. And that actually reminds me. I want to give a big mihi out to my ngā waihotanga whānau who have their wānanga today to kick off their Kapahaka Regionals campaign here in Te Kāhui Maunga. So yeah, just want to acknowledge all my whānau there. Wish I could be there with you. But yeah, we'll catch up soon. Have a good day. Have a good day there at Kapas.
Beautiful. Me era kaupapa Māori katoa. Yeah, it's beautiful for our whānau. But yes, whānau, if you're not doing anything, no mahara mai ki Waverley. I'm
on so maybe the current.
But yeah, come down whānau. Just want to acknowledge our sponsors, Bennett Enterprises, big contributor and big supporter of this tournament for a few years now. Same with Toy Foundation and Parinini Hiki Waitotara, PKW. Puna and Adrian, thank you for your mihi, for your support in this tournament. And for our Toy Foundation too. Thank you guys for all your awhi and manaki towards this prestigious event and that we love. We love every year. It's our favourite weekend of the year.
Tēnā koutou to our sponsors. Yeah, just want to tautoko. Looks like our teams are getting ready for the second half whānau. They've had their kōrero, their wānanga with their kaioko, the coach, and let's see what our second half brings us.
Here we go, kick off. It's number 6 again.
Yeah, close up. Is title is the brightness still right? Okay, cool. Same. What's a tama?
Driving them back.
Beautiful defense. And that's number 6 in that tackle again, is it? I think. Oh, here we go. Auntie Mo up the middle. Beautiful run.
Good strong carry.
Beautiful run there by Auntie Mo. Moana Scott with the carry. Season Blackburn Kingy. Off to Nina Tangira. Takes a step. Bit of footwork, offload.
And an offload.
Season
there.
Black. Well, so they've come out with intent in the second half. Te Atiawa. Quick play the ball.
Looks like a change of tactic too.
Okay, hold on. Yep. Title. Yep. Right.
Oh, it's a drop ball. No, not knock on. She carries on. There's the 7 and 6 again, Ngaa Rauru. Windle and Ngā Rauru Wainohu. Outstanding defence.
And it looks like a handover there, so didn't quite get to their kick, Te Atiawa. Ngā Rauru have the ball and
shifted to the left here, number 19. Oh, good run.
Nice and direct there.
Very direct, good run.
Karawe.
Beamsley Wiare. Good tackle there by Kirirako. Season Blackburn Kingy comes over the top.
By shifting the ball to the left.
Oh, good contact. Oh, there's a bit of a flop there. Oh, dives in number 3, takes off around the ruck. Oh, good run up the middle.
Dummy half card.
Good run. Spinning it left. Here we go, number 12. Good carry. No one's there to meet her.
They are running really, really strong. They really are.
Good run there.
It looks like they're about 5 metres out from the Te Atiawa line.
Another good run. Good strong carry here. Good defence. Oh, good defence. That was the last. Their defence is really, really keeping them in the game, Te Atiawa, but they need to do something with the ball.
Ai, tautoko. Looks like this Te Atiawa had a little bit of a change in their strategy. Just moving straight off the ruck pretty much and running straight, hard.
Kirerako. Number 3 goes well for Ngaa Rauru too. Les Nipia. This is a great game. This is a great game.
Tackle number 2. Tautoko Rawa Whanonga.
Oh, nice big carry there. That's the way to run. Quick play the ball. Quick play the ball.
Looks like Atiawa just moving outside.
Here we go. Season Blackburn Kingy with the run.
Just shy of the halfway. So definitely moving up the field.
Oh, no. Is it knock back? Knock back. Oh, and Moana Scott puts the ball up.
Yep. Come with me. I'll zoom out. Yep.
Good tackle. Good tackle there. Lana Kingy with the tackle. Number 16, Kerry Strong. Gee, they run hard.
Tautoko. And that defence just turning up and in numbers. They're not doing it alone.
Karaitiana with the carry.
Rawe.
Here we go again. Oh, number 6. Oh, that looked high. Good run, number 6. I like number 6.
And the referee looks like he's called offside there. And Tautoko, she was running onto that. She was steaming onto that ball.
That's the way to run it. Could show the boys. Show the boys a few thing or two, eh? Number 6, I reckon.
Nice. Still using the ball really, really well.
They've got all the ball at the moment. Oh, don't know about they play the ball, but they let it go. Hits the left side. Number 7 there. Passes on to number 20. Oh, another high shot around the head there. Atiawa might want to be careful soon. They might get someone in the bin.
Tautoko number 2, Tera.
Isn't it right? Look at it there. They're running hard again. Good contact. Good contact there. Here we are. Number 3. He's going to go right. There she goes. She jumps. Looks for number 6. Hits that ball. Oh, great run with the punt. Oh, is she in? She's in.
Referee looks at the touches and try is awarded.
Wow, great run. That's the way you power onto the ball.
And they were pushing up in numbers. Yeah. Absolutely. Support was there on both sides. And well in there by Ngaa Rauru. Outstanding run. She's been outstanding today. Now I don't know how to say her first name properly, so I'm just going to say her last name. But Windle. And I apologise if you end up watching this and listening to that. But you're playing outstanding. Tautoko. She's been in it in the beginning, and you can see the fruits of all the hard mahi that
100%
team are putting out there.
What they're doing well is they're running the ball strong. They're finding their fronts. They're getting quick play the balls, and off the back of that, people are powering onto the ball, which is making it hard for Atiawa to withstand that pressure. They're fighting hard, but that constant go forward ball is really working well for Ngaa Rauru.
And that's it too. If you're always on the defense on the back foot, eventually that takes and saps energy. But both teams going really, really well.
And he stay at the centre title. Do you want me to tighten up that frame? Or? 1, 2. Yep. Oh, it is 24. My goodness. Okay. Yep.
Good to see all the comments coming through, Whānau. Awesome to see all the comments coming through.
Okay. Yep. Switch the title. Yep.
Hitting that right side. Here we go. The offload to the number 12. Bit of an offload there. Didn't come off. This is Atiawa's got a shot here.
They do.
This is their opportunity to make the most of the ball.
Yep. Can you also just remember to push up that Bennett? Yeah. It's the text. You still on one?
Your mahi setting up this whole tournament. It's been a big exercise, but we're finally down there, whānau. We're finally down here in Ngaa Rauru in our 8th year of the tournament. As you all know, the tournament goes around the maunga. Everyone has a turn at hosting, so we're really stoked to be down here in Wairuiti. Here we go. Atiawa with the ball now. Let's see what they can do.
Tackle number 3 there. And good strong tackle.
Good carry.
And carry.
Here we go. To the
Switch the title and I'll frame out.
Kick.
There from...
I don't know if that was it the last? I don't know if that was the last.
I think it was an early one.
Yeah, so
kick in a chase, but Ngaa Rauru have regathered the ball. A good take.
Here we go from dummy half. Good run. Good carry there. Good tackle by Blackburn Kingy. Hitting that left edge again. Number 7 looking inside.
Inside ball.
To the prop, Latu. Good carry there. Good quick play the ball.
Absolutely. Mihi ana ki ngā kaitākoro katoa. They really know their role out there.
Yes, they do.
Oh, some second phase there.
They lost that ball.
And
questions coming through on the live stream. Turn your background speakers off, brother. Chair Kazi Rani. We'll try and get that sorted. Here we go. Oh, good run here. Atiawa hitting that left-hand side. Here we go. Edmonds with the footwork and the fend. Good tackle there. Good tackle.
Yes, good run there as well. She was the one who broke the line in the first half. And good movement on the ball there.
Good run. Good hit and spin there. Scott with the run. That's awesome.
It is. A few metres out from the line.
Auntie Mo's still out there playing.
Still
playing
got
with
it.
her daughter. Here we go. Haupapa with the carry.
And the defence keeps turning up. Number 6 again
Number
there.
6 again.
And they shift to the left.
Oh, they shift. They kick it again.
Yep. I'm following you back. Title, if you can go to. Yeah, I'll follow you back. Still on me? Okay. Yeah, I'll play there. Okay.
Carry the ball, but they look to the edge there, put that crossfield kick in, and then got away with the fruit. So
absolutely. And you're right. They'd moved over to the right side, and they left the spaces on the right.
You on the goalpost?
I'm on the goalpost.
No,
Just
she misses that. So it's 12-8. The score remains 12-8. Ngaa Rauru up at the background.
12-8 to Ngaa Rauru. And I think how's the time? Must be getting close.
Yeah. I don't know what this is because that's pretty loud.
Wow, be the call there, bit of a hit high there one as well. Yeah.
Wow, it's the different. Oh no, it's a penalty. It's lucky.
Aye.
It's the difference between rugby league and rugby union. You try and union you can kind of go to the sideline, but you got to be a bit careful with league. Otherwise, you lose a whole set of 6.
If that tackle had have come off, they would have had Atiawa on the back foot, but Atiawa will still hold the ball. Kai rata tōne te pōro.
Thank you.
They kicked the ball. And it'd be good to see them complete the set and get a kick deep down into the field of the opposition. But again, Ngaa Rauru responding. Strong defence out there, whānau.
Thank you for your comments, whānau. We're just trying to work through our background noise, which may be affecting the commentary, sorry. Surely noise cancelling. Okay, whānau. We're trying to work it out. Bear with us. Otherwise, jump in the car and come down and tautoko.
And Atiawa have the ball and shifting the ball to the right there. But again, the defence keeps turning up their Ano.
Here we go. Atiawa shifting the ball left. Haupapa with the run.
And tackle, so 20, 30 metres out from the line. And Ngaa Rauru have the ball.
Ngaa Rauru with the ball. Couple minutes to go. Another good run here by Latu. She's been carrying strong all day.
Tackle number 1.
Oh, hitting the left edge there.
Yep.
Number 3 onto number 7 again. Seems to be the same players that are just working their team around. There's an offload. Great offload.
She was ready for it too.
Number 3, number 7, number 6.
Again, another offload.
Is 19. Strong carry by her.
But again, that confidence from Ngaa Rauru to move the ball and keep the ball alive.
Look at this. Number 8 again.
Strong run.
Outstanding. Here we go. It in the right edge. Windle with the kick. No one home. No one's home.
Ngaa Rauru chasing.
Oh,
the
rim.
Will
Outstanding. Oh, hold on.
The ball there.
Tackle without the ball, is it?
Knock on there, potentially. Unfortunate because there were 2 Ngaa Rauru players there and only one Atiawa player at the back there. So,
yeah, so Atiawa get the ball there, but unlucky. That was a great spotting by Windle.
Yes.
Just seeing no one was home and little one over the top. Outstanding. Right, whānau, what are we looking at? It's 12 o'clock now. I'd say that we'll be almost hearing the hooter soon.
Potentially down to our last play. Atiawa have the ball on their own 10, their own 20.
100-metre try, you reckon, or what?
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, taking the blind side and good run. Beats a tackle there.
Again, that defence just keeps turning up.
Blindside again. Rocky Robinson with the run.
Atiawa will need to be careful here. They are close to the sideline.
She's lost the ball.
And the referee has the flag. The tuck has the flag.
Oh, no. Play the ball there.
Oh,
here we go. Here we go. Not long to go now. She's a tight one here, Whānau. We've got a tight one. Everybody's on the edge of their seat.
So tuku.
Here we go. Run by Edmonds. Good run there. Good contact. Good tackle.
The line speed from Ngaa Rauru.
Number 12 again. Number 12. Number 3. Here we go. Haupapa with the carry. Nina Tangira. Oh, backdoor. Knock on. A lot of pressure there by Ngaa Rauru. Outstanding pressure.
And again, that line speed getting up in their face. Tikatau, put their pressure on, and kaputa mai te hapa.
Both teams, a lot of real energy. And some of the carries, some of the contact. Really awesome. The levels really stepped up. You know, if we look at our Waiine Toa tournament over the years, you know, I remember our first time we had our Waiine teams was in Ngāti Ruanui. So we had Ngāti Ruanui and Ngā Ruahine when Ruanui hosted, and that was only 2 teams that year. And now we've got 4 teams, and the level is just growing. Here's number 12 again.
Amazing run there. Good strong run. Fend made that extra meters, found her fronts. And moving to the right side of the field, number 7. Short ball to her.
Later attacking the line. Here we go. She's going to go. Number 3. Wide number 12. There we go. Full time, number 19 with the carry. There we have it, Whānau. What a game. What a game to kick off our Waiine Toa grade. Ngā Rauru with the, they've made a statement. They made a statement against last year's finalists. 12-8. They get the win. First up win.
Regardless of the result, amazing effort from both teams out there. Homai te paki. And yeah, an amazing game out there, right from the get-go. So mihi ana ki Ngā Rauru, mihi ana ki a koutou te Atiawa, and look forward to our next game.
Great way to start our Waiine Toa grade. Next up, Whānau, we have